There is a very strong, very cool school in Ivano-Frankivsk. You come there as a civilian and they teach you everything. They teach you how to fly, they teach you engineering, that is how to assemble drones. They teach you theory and they give you the foundation you need to move forward. And this training is absolutely free and
How long does such training take?
35 days. It can be closer to 40 because to obtain a MOS, that is a military occupational specialty, there is a certain number of academic hours required, after which you can take the exam, confirm your qualification, and receive your MOS.
Were there many people who wanted to join along with you? And did you perhaps have to wait because there were so many people that there was no space for you? No?
Unfortunately, there weren't many who wanted to join, but what pleasantly surprised me was that in my group, which started the training, there were a lot of girls.